Have you ever wanted to extend your laptop screen to a TV or projector, but do it wirelessly? I might have something for you. This is a wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver set. The kit comes with one HDMI transmitter and one HDMI receiver, two USB-A to USB-C cables, and a couple adapters as well if you need to go from HDMI to something else. This is a quick and easy way to either extend or duplicate your laptop screen. So I work on my laptop every day, and I'm pretty content with just the one screen, but it is nice to have the option to run multiple screens if I want to. That's where something like this can come in handy. So just think of this as an HDMI cable. It's wireless, but it operates in the same way that an HDMI cable would operate. So in this case, I have a TV in my living room. I can take a normal HDMI cable from my laptop and plug it right into my TV. That's great if the cable's long enough, but oftentimes it's not. But now if I want to extend or duplicate this onto my TV, I can do it wirelessly. So first I'm going to take the HDMI transmitter and plug it into my laptop. And the transmitter is going to be powered from the HDMI port on my laptop. The receiver is going to need power via USB-C from some source. In this case, my TV has a USB port, so I plugged one of the included cables from my TV to the receiver. That provided the power to the receiver for it to work. And then I can take my receiver and plug it into an HDMI input on my TV, and then I can either extend my laptop screen so the TV is an extra screen, or I can duplicate my laptop screen so whatever's on my laptop can go to the screen. We have near zero latency. You can see it here with the video and from me switching colors. These units can operate in the 2.4 or 5 gigahertz range. Set supports 4K decoding and 1080p at 60 hertz out. This set is plug and play, ready to go right out of the box. In my case, I just got my laptop out, take my transmitter, plug it into the laptop. Transmitter gets power from the laptop, get power to the receiver, plug the receiver into the TV, or it can be another monitor, or it can be a projector, or anything like that. And the transmitter and the receiver sync up, and then you have your HDMI transmission. So wherever you would put an HDMI cable, you can run one of these. So if you're in the market for a quick and easy way to extend your laptop screen to something you already have, like a TV, but you want to do it wirelessly in full HD, maybe this is for you.